Hey Panthers, it is the 14th of May. We have about 2 weeks left in school. Good for you. Almost there. We are here in my backyard, and we're going to go through some simplifying today and some common numbers that we're going to see for how we can simplify them with our fractions. So let's remind ourselves we know 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, anything that ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8 is an even number. So if both of your fractions contain that as the last number, you know you can at least divide it by 2, cut it in half, right? So reminder, those are our evens. We don't have anything so similar for our odds, right? But let's look at 3 real quick. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, right? How about 4? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. 5, right? 5's easy. That's one of my favorites, right? We know 0 or 5, we got it. Now, 6, this is what I like. This is now where it starts to be kind of fun and we can find these shortcuts, right? 6, well, if a number goes into 3, see if maybe a 6 works as well, right? So 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, right? So I could start looking, well, does everything that's a multiple of 3, is it a multiple of 6? No, we can't assume that, right? Because 3 is smaller, so there's going to be more of them. But we're going to have some that are for sure going to be the same. So I know, well, look at that, 24. Well, 3 times 8 is 24. Boom. 6 times 4 is 24, right? So let's look at this kind of, I'm going to do this down here at the bottom, how we can work some of these in on our fractions, right? So if I had the number, let's say I had 9 over 21. Well, those are both odd numbers. Oh man, I must be done, right? Can't do anything with this. Well, let's go to our 3's. 3, 6, 9. There's a 9. 21. All right, let's divide both those by 3. And I get 3 over 7. I know that 7 is a prime number. I can't do anything else with that. 3 is a prime number in this case. We're done, right? So we want to start getting, the more we can get our multiplication chart really down in our head, this is something that's going to help you so much with your fractions. All right, we're going to practice a couple more, and then your homework today is going to be IXL, doing some simplifying fractions down to the lowest number you can do. All right, and what I mean by that is, let's take a look at this one. We're going to work it down till we get to the lowest level it could possibly be. All right. (24 over 42). Well, let's see. Even, right? Cool. Let's do it in half. 12 over 21. I'm done, right? Oh, this is the trick with the fractions. We've got to simplify it all the way to the neatest possible conclusion that we can get it to. So, again, I've got 12 over 21. Let me think back to my 3's. Well, see, doesn't work for 6, but how about a 3? 3 goes into 12 and a 3 goes into 21. 4 over 7. So we have to work multiple steps to get there, but no big deal. And we're left with 4 over 7 is how we can simplify 24 over 42. I'm going to leave it to you. Should be not too bad of an assignment today. Proud of you guys for doing all the stuff you are, and look forward. We'll check back in soon. Take care.